Good evening. Good evening, my friends. Dr. Govind Gupta here, and once again, I'm coming with a new topic. This is called small penis humiliation. Well, it is an insult to mankind, manhood, and any person if he comes to know or somebody points out that his penis is very small. We know a person who refused to get married till he was 30s. What was the reason? He was admitted to a college at the age 19. He was racked, and during the ragging, his seniors laughed at his penis, telling him that it is a very small penis and you will not be able to satisfy any woman and your marriage will never last. This stuck in his brain, in his mind. Any person being abused with the size of the penis, he takes it extremely sensitively, and it's very difficult for him to forget these comments. Many women go to prostitutes to try out sex, and the prostitutes, when they are not in a mood for sex, they call it, "Hey, this is such a small penis. I think my clit is bigger than this penis," and the person becomes very sad. So, lot of people with normal sized penis comes to us asking us to increase their penis size. On examination, we find that their penis size is normal. We have to counsel them that any size bigger than this is not required. But a harm is done, and I don't think this harm can be overcome ever in their life. They can marry, they can have children, but the fear remain inside their heart and inside their mind for very long time. So the first thing is that let us not abuse anything about the penis size for anybody. Sometimes even the large size penis owners, large size penis owners have visited us for an opinion whether his size is normal or not. This penis size fear gives rise to fear of performance, fear of satisfaction, and this fear, which can be ablated by our treatment, and we can pursue him, instill in him enough confidence so that he can live a normal married life. But the fear that my penis is small and I am not man enough stays in his mind. The society, the men, have a culture of assessing a man's potency by the size of the penis. Longer the penis, more the potency. Or the longer the penis, better the satisfaction, which is scientifically not true. Both the vagina and the penis are sensitive at their tips only. Vagina has got sensation only in the first 1 inch of the introitus, that is the opening of the vagina, external opening of the vagina. Penis is highly sensitive over the glans and a little portion of the shaft of the penis. The rest is not. And the person who thinks that their erect penis is more than 7 inches or 8 inches, they feel very proud. And if you tell them, no, it's not 7 inches, it is 6 inches, 10 centimeters, they take offense. For a small thing, for a small 2 centimeter less. So let us not put too much of emphasis on the size of the penis. Let us put the emphasis on the technique of the sexual intercourse, the techniques of relationship, and the techniques of maintaining love throughout life. The technique of loving a person throughout a life is more important than the size of the penis. Our counseling envisages all these aspects. So if you think you have got a penis size problem, you can take our opinion directly through video consultation, directly, face-to-face interview, or whatever your method you may choose. But don't fall prey to all those ointments, tablets, instruments which claims to increase the penile size. It never happens. So my advice for today, my take-home message is today, if you have any doubts regarding your penile size, get in touch with us, but never ever fall prey or never ever use any of the advertised medicines, because it is a waste of time, waste of money, and can endanger your sexual life. How does this advertised products can endanger your sexual life? A person has asked me. For him, I am answering this. First, these instruments reinforces your fear that your size is small, and you know that the size is small, that is why so many enlargers are available. So this is one of the endanger. Second, any external stimulation like ointment or the instrument, vacuum pump, etc., are unnatural and invariably, they harm the cavernosal soft tissues. So people who have used this thing have felt erectile dysfunction while their usage. So friends, once again, size psychologically matters, scientifically not. Don't put too much of your thought in the size of the penis. Remember the key words. It is your thoughts that will make you happy or unhappy. So don't entertain any kind of a negative thought, any kind of a thought that reduces your confidence, reduces your own perception of yourself, to make your life happy. And we are always there to help you. Thank you.